Konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to the channel. This is Pradeep Sharma, and in this video we will learn how to tell or ask about the hobby in Japanese. We will study in details about this pattern, hobby, sumi, which means hobby. So if someone is ask about hobby, our hobby, or if we are telling someone about our hobbies, then what we will say? If someone is asking, then question would be like Anata no sumi wa nan desu ka? Here it is in Romaji as well. Anata no sumi wa nan desu ka? First, let's get into the details of this question. What are these things and what are their meanings? So let's start with the anata. Anata is very simple, which means you. Then this is the second thing, no. No is a particle. Basically it is used to connect two nouns. And here it is used for ownership. So there are so many uses of no. One of uses here, ownership. Here you will understand with the example. Anata no. Here it is showing the ownership of anata. So anata no means you. And the next word is sumi. Sumi means hobby. And after sumi there is one more particle, wa, which is marking the subject, which is basically just subject marker. And here it is marking the, here the wa is marking sumi, because sumi is a subject, so that's why it is a subject marker. If you want to tell about something, then we will add wo. Want to tell about something, then we will add wo after that word. Here we have added it after sumi. And basically this is the ha of hiragana, but in case of particle it is read as wa. And the next word is this. This is like a is, am, are, and it is also used for politeness. And ka basically is a question marker. If we are asking a question someone else, then we will always add ka at the end to make this sentence an interrogative sentence. Now let's get back to the question. So here our question is Anata no sumi wa nan desu ka? Now let's learn how we will answer this question. Let's go. So guys, here is the pattern of answer for this question. The question was Anata no sumi wa nan desu ka? So this is the pattern to answer that question. First we will write subject, which is sumi. Then we will use the particle wa. Then we will use noun, or if we are telling someone directly a verb, like if we are saying my hobby is swimming, then we will directly use a verb here, not any noun would be used here. And then after noun we will use a particle according to the requirement. That could be any particle. And then we will use verb dictionary form. We have already studied about this in our last video. I'll drop the link in description. Verb dictionary form, plus at the end we will use koto desu. Koto desu is the main part to answer this question. This is basically part of this pattern. So it is very important to add koto des if we are telling someone our hobbies. Let's go for example. So our first example is here. Sumi wa eiga o miru. Here is the mass form of miru. Koto desu. Sumi wa eiga o miru koto desu. Here, watashi no is hide. This is hide. If we want to use, watashi no is hide. Because we are having a conversation, then there is no need to use watashi no. So directly we are telling the hobby, which is sumi wa eiga o miru koto desu. Here it is in Romaji as well. Sumi wa eiga o miru koto desu. Miru is the dictionary form of mimasu. So now let's get into the details of this answer. Here we have learned a new particle. Oh, this is the particle which is wo in hiragana, but it is read as o for particle case. And it basically indicates the direct object of a transitive verb. Transitive verb. So my hobby is watching movies. Eiga means movies and mimasu means to watch, to look, to see. Our next example is, here I have used watashi no just for example. So watashi no shumi wa uta o utau, which is the dictionary form of utaimasu, koto desu. Written in Romaji as well. Watashi no shumi wa uta o utau koto desu. Koto desu. So my hobby is singing songs. Let's go for one more example. Sumi wa ryori o sukuru koto desu. Sumi wa ryori o sukuru koto desu. My hobby is making dishes. So guys, these were the examples of today's pattern. Sumi wa nan desu ka? Watashi no sumi wa ryori o sukuru koto desu. So guys, these are the vocabs which we have used in today's examples. First is eiga, which means movie. Second is the verb mimasu, to look, to watch, to see. Third one is uta, which means a song. Fourth is utaimasu, which means to sing. Then ryori, this is sukuru, dictionary form of sukurimasu, it's to make. So guys, thank you very much. I hope you guys have understood. Then please drop your hobbies in comments, and if you guys have any confusion, then that thing also drop in the comments. I will surely try to reply your comments. Thank you very much. Please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Arigatou gozaimasu. Jai Mata.